back to the channel. I was hoping this was gonna be just like a fun, super fun video, kind of recapping what we've been up to, but that's not farm life. So we'll do a recap. We had an unfortunate realization today. I don't know what we had a calf die. That sucks. But we'll head down to the barn. We'll start from the beginning. It's a good place to start. What are you doing? You hiding? You worried someone's gonna eat you? Don't worry, the turkey will be pardoned. Probably too old to eat anyways. Alright, we're feeding the pasture. All the babies are hanging out. Joey locked them out of the back pasture yesterday. And so we have to water them now. And he has a float, but it's like uneven. So I was hoping that I would be able to level that out so that the float would work. But they have not drank quite enough of it yet, so we're gonna wait on that. We'll feed them. Hi. Squirrel, let me love you. Squirrel. First of all, this was rude. Very rude. Ooh, almost got you, Grace. Okay, Gracie, be nice. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that Lisa calved. She calved Sunday afternoon. Today's Friday. With what we thought was a very healthy baby boy. You also notice she's not in the pasture anymore. And she's doing okay. But unfortunately her calf was dead this morning. Joey said last night his back was arched up, like he drank, but it just seemed like something wasn't right, but like at the time he didn't really think anything of it just because, you know. But yeah, this morning he unfortunately was dead, so that's a bummer. It's always a bummer to lose a calf, and it's a double bummer to lose a brown Swiss and a bull calf because that's what feeds us. So that sucks, but Joey was able to get her into her own pen and put one of our calves on her to hopefully pair them up so that she can still have a calf and take care of a calf. To my surprise, she was a good mama. So that's a bummer. But yeah, we got pasture fed, so she's our next stop. We'll go see how she's doing. Hi, buddy. Leave Sophia in the house?
Yeah.
What?
We asked Chloe and Jose, but didn't want.
Where's my drink?
You don't get any.
Oh, alright. How are you? Sorry about your baby. Did you get a new one? You like her? She's a sweetheart. Yeah. Hey, little girl. So, Lisa's probably hungry. That calf is one that we got a couple weeks ago from a farmer. She is just like super tiny, not a twin or anything, just very tiny. She's been doing really good though, so we're hoping that Lisa will take to her and she can still be a mama. Should I give you grain? You're probably just starving. Never get fed. Girl. Did you eat enough earlier? So I'm thinking the calf is not full, or not hungry. Like she's not even sucking on my finger, and normally she's knocking me down waiting for her bottle. So I think I'm just gonna let him go tonight. Joey said that she sucked earlier today. And then see how she does in the morning. Lisa is leaking a little, so I haven't decided if I... Did you fall? I haven't decided if I'm going to put another calf in with her, but all seems well, so I think we're going to get the rest of chores done, and I'll check back in with you guys in the morning. Have a good night. That little broken piece, that's a big one.
Ooh.
I'm so happy.
I'm gonna do that one. Ooh. Ooh. More bucket. Smash that into a soup.
Oh, this one's heavy.
Yeah. Ooh, you broke it.
I am Hulk.
Ooh. This even.
You like him?
Yeah. That one's like
His whole head's in the pumpkin.
like
Chicken's on it too.
Huh?
The chicken's on some too.
Yeah. The mic's so tiny. Over here was singing.
Morning.
Mama.
Quick braid out. We just fed some pumpkins to the pigs, obviously. We've got a couple more up there. I didn't want to feed them too much at once, but pigs love pumpkins. They say cattle do too, but I don't know. My cows don't seem to care for pumpkins, so.
Mom, guess what I just put in? Shovel.
Huh?
I put the little shovel in.
Oh, okay.
So when Dad has to pick it up, the field.
I'm gonna do chores. Check on Lisa.
Papa.
Maybe put a second calf in there. See how it goes. See how she's doing.
Hello.
Have I mentioned it's cold out?
Mommy.
I miss summer already. Good morning, Lisa. How are you? You good? Yeah. Oh, would you like some grain? Excuse you. Excuse you. Gracie torments the kittens, but they still love her for some reason. What the heck? Must have just gone outside. You silly goose! Hi. I feel like you know what to do. Alright, I feel like I leveled this out, so we're gonna see if we can get the trusty dusty float to work, although I'm not entirely convinced that the hose will not be frozen, so let's hope it is. Otherwise I'm gonna be bringing buckets of water over, and that doesn't sound fun. What? What'd you do that for? All better? I mean, that part's not frozen. They're coming out? No? I can't even hear them because the cows are so hungry. She's a little froze. We'll just have to let it thaw out a little bit, okay? We'll try again later. Turkey sucky. You get some fresh water and a shower at the same time? Wash your fingers off, it's gonna be cold. It's cold. So I think we'll turn the water on a little bit. We're gonna let it warm up. I think I'm gonna put another calf in by Lisa. One, because she's got a lot of milk. Gracie! Gracie! Grace! Always with the kittens. The calf that's in there, she was by herself for a while, and she was just kind of like, eh. But then I put a friend in with her, and she got way more aggressive. So these guys are all hungry, so I'm gonna put one of them in her pen mate in with her, see how that goes, if we can make a win for both things. It's been a rough morning of chores. Farming with little kids. You're okay. No. That didn't work as I thought it would. Yeah. Can I put you down? Please? Can I put you down so we can get the calf in? Oh. I'm gonna bring them by Lisa.
Huh?
I'm bringing them by Lisa.
Why?
So that he can eat off of her and keep the other calf company.
No.
Oh, Lisa. Be nice. Be nice. You need to go in the chute. Turkey. Are you guys sunbathing? I would like to join you.
Mom, the cow is this baby goat is with my glove.
Don't be rude to me. I'm trying to help you. What are you doing, Pirate? Stop it. Leave her be. Lisa's pretty stubborn, and I was getting very frustrated because I could not get her in the chute. And Jackson cried, and it was a lot. But I forgot that when Lisa was a heifer, a calf really, she was halter rope once upon a time. So I told Joe to go get me a halter. The only one he could find was this little calf halter, like literally for newborns. It's so tiny. But I got it on her and it worked, and I got her in the chute. So if Pirate decides to leave her be and not make her more angry, I'm gonna see if I can get some calves on her, because I'm starting to get a little frustrated. We've had really good luck with nurse cows. There's only been one that has not taken to the life. But this is like a nice young heifer,
Mommy,
so.
I told Jack no climb him. Is it?
Okay.
Someone wants to hug you. Oh, what is that?
Okay. What's the matter, baby? Starting to think. Are you happy now? You got what you wanted? That I need one of those like seat, I don't know what they're called, seat things, where they're not like a holder, but you can just have them sit on you.
I'm done for you.
You probably don't know what I'm talking about because I'm probably talking not to a mom group on YouTube. All right, little girl, can you go get some breakfast too? Your buddy's getting some. He's doing good. Nope, she's chasing cats. You making scrambled eggs for breakfast?
Sometimes who take the glue gloves out? I can get them. Mom, hold
Yeah, no, I don't want to hold it. We'll throw those away. Oh, yes, this is making me much happier. Much happier. So I guess if we gotta put her in the chute for a couple days, that's what we'll do, but I mean, she's not like kicking. She just, I don't know. She's Lisa.
Yeah.
No? Oh, I was really hopeful it was working because it's not leaking. It's upsetting. What? Maybe the float is just stuck. Oh, you're doing a good job. Hey, be nice. You did good, Lisa. Yeah. Calves are happy. Do you want to back up so that you don't go out? There, you can just back up and go back in your pen. Okay. Did you hear me? Probably help if I open the door first. All right. Back you go. She still doesn't like you, Grace. All milked out. Good sign. All right. Is that good, babies? Huh? Good on tap? All right. Oop, oop, oop. Let's go back in. Gracie, you're not helping. Here. Why don't you go get some more food? Come in. I gotta go get your babies. You know, you're gonna be the next Sassy. Not that Sassy's ever gonna die, but it's gonna be you because you're stubborn.
Mommy.
She was poopy. Yeah, that's okay. Alright, all the babies are in. Your turn. Uh-oh, baby coming out. Come on. Come on. Alright. Same time tonight? Okay, see you guys later. Behave. Make good choices. Mix it. Only 2 bottle babies this morning. Whoa. You're all done?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'll do a little bit more. You see what you're doing? You want me to hold it?
Yep.
Thank you.
I'm gonna hold one.
Hold it.
You need to go. Or do Jack won't have one?
Remember, we only need 2 bottles? Do you want to tell everyone what you named yours?
Hungry hippo.
What?
Hungry hippo.
Hungry Hippo. We have Hungry Hippo and Miss Rainbow Sparkle. Sophia named. We had 4 bottle calves until yesterday when we obviously I'll move the one up there and then move the other one up there. So now we've just got 2 bottle babies, but I'm actually going to pick up 4 more today. Is this like cow math? I don't know. I do have to wean some of the ones that are in with Sassy's group. So depending on how ambitious I am this weekend, I might do that. I don't know. The last time I tried to move cows by myself, it didn't go well. So we'll see. Joey's hunting. It's opening weekend in Wisconsin. So if you're hunting this weekend, good luck. He actually already got a buck. And I was like, oh yeah, you can go home now. But it was a joke, guys. It was a joke. I do love to bow hunt, but I've never been gun hunting. I always joke that I'm just like a fair weather hunter, and normally by the time we get to gun opener in Wisconsin, it's like cold out. Although today's pretty nice out. But that's okay. All right, we're gonna finish up chores. I think I'm just gonna call this the end of the video because I want to. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Also, yes, I still have like 2 harvest videos that I need to edit and do. Maybe this weekend. Maybe not. I also really want to make candles. We'll see.